Hello everyone, welcome to our in-depth guide on understanding the differences between to and to. Now these three little words can often cause confusion, but fear not, we will make it crystal clear. So let's start with it. Now to, T-O-2 is a versatile word in English with multiple uses. Primarily, it's a preposition. It helps indicate direction, location or any recipient of an action. For example, I am going to the store, she gave the book to him. Fine. Now let's study to, T-W-O-2. Now it is the simplest of the trio. It's the straightforward number representing the quantity, that is 2. It's as easy as counting. Like for example, there are 2 tables, there are 2 apples, they have 2 pets, they have 2 cats, anything like this. 2, T-O-O-2 is where it gets interesting. This little word has 2 primary meanings. First, it means also, like in addition to. For example, she wants to come too. That means that she wants to come as well. Secondly, it can indicate excessively, यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा, more than necessary. For instance, it's too cold to go outside, indicating that it's excessive cold outside. Well, the most common mistake people make is confusing to and to. That means TO2 with TOO2. Using to instead of to can entirely change the meaning of a sentence. For instance, I want to, or I want to. Now it's crucial to be aware of these common pitfalls and use the correct word in the right context. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Fill in the blanks with the correct word in the comment section. I have dash dogs. Will it be to or to? She is coming dash. It's dash hot in here. You have to fill your answers with TWO2, TOO2 and TO. Now to remember the differences, try this trick. To, TOO2 has many O's in it. So that signifies excess. So do remember it. In summary, to is a preposition, TO2 is a preposition, TWO is a number and TOO means also or excessively. These distinctions are fundamental for clear and effective communication. Well, thank you for embarking on this language journey with us. Remember, practice is the key to mastery. By using TO2, TWO and TOO2 correctly, you will enhance your English language skills and express yourself with precision and clarity. Keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.